Shock and frustration gripped St. John's district in retirement St. James after 4 men were fatally shot in an alleged confrontation with the police on Wednesday morning. But residents are saying that there was no shootout. Kimberly Petty has the details.
For the second time in less than 24 hours, another quadruple police killing.
I am in St. John's retirement in St. James. Now, the area is quite tense right now as 4 men were shot and killed in an alleged police confrontation. A father and a son are among those who have been killed. Now, we spoke to the wife of one of the deceased who said he is innocent.
Tashaw Fairclough was preparing to send her daughter off to sit her grade 5 PEP examinations, but instead of offering words of encouragement, she was forced to deliver the devastating news that her father and brother had been killed.
I play a ball, she the ball right now. And the teacher call, I don't know if she go focus. In the exam this morning, the teacher they come here. Me know I now go focus on it.
The distraught woman expressed disbelief because she says her husband, 57-year-old Brian Fairclough Sr., was not a criminal.
That big man. And when me look, by me reach back down there, so me a gunshot them and me ball out and hold me belly. And me turn up the devil well, and when me look, then carry them down in a van back with them and bound behind of them. 57-year-old. Wicked, not tell me. And this I'm really vote for Andrew for.
Also dead are her son, 28-year-old Brian Fairclough Jr., 28-year-old Jamar Ashman, and another man who hasn't been identified. TVJ News understands that the men were killed near the retirement landfill, where Fairclough Sr. was a truck operator and his son a security guard. According to police reports, the incident happened at 5:45 a.m. during a targeted intelligence-driven operation. The police say they have been probing a series of violent incidents linked to an ongoing conflict among individuals operating within the scrap metal trade at the retirement dump. They point to long-standing disputes among persons involved in the collection and sale of scrap metal and other recyclable materials. The recent escalation in violent reprisals, the report adds, resulted in the murder of a man at the dump on June 5. The police further explained that security forces in the area during the early morning operation came under attack and a confrontation ensued. Residents have since refuted their claims.
Where the man about us, so they have no gun, they're innocent. And they still kill the man them. They take one of the man, the TJ father, they take him, can go down the road and carry him up back. And then they go say, the man run off, and when he run off, they shoot the man, kill him. He was in a shootout. And the police said, we want justice.
My grandson dead. Oh God, me can't take it no more. They kill my grandson for no reason at all, and his father one time.
They kill them. They go with them. They tie them up like a dog and kill them and throw them in a van and go with them. I'm a son of 2-year-old. What me I can tell my son say? What me my son say movie with daddy there?
Mr. Prime Minister, remember, people have it on them phone. People have it said that you is the one that said, is either the judge or you go and go meet your maker. This is what happening, Mr. Prime Minister. Mr. Prime Minister, this is what is happening. They are going home go meet a maker, because that is what I tell the police them to do.
Meanwhile, the Independent Commission of Investigations, INDICOM, is investigating. Kimberly Petty, TVJ News.